I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making lemon truffles. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. If you've been a compadre for a while, you know I love bringing citrus flavors into my candy. The fruity tartness is just a great complement for the sweetness of the chocolate. So I'm finally getting around to making something that's been on my list for a while, lemon truffles. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own lemon truffles, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 150 grams of white chocolate, 25 grams of heavy cream, 37 grams of lemon curd, the zest and juice of a quarter lemon, and 200 grams of dark chocolate. I'm also using a large glass bowl, a silicone bowl, a saucepan, a cutting board, some parchment paper, a spatula, a scoop, and a couple of precision dipping tools. Okay, let's make some candy. In a large bowl, combine the white chocolate, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Microwave it just enough to soften the chocolate. In a saucepan over medium heat, add the heavy cream, and lemon curd, and bring it to a boil, stirring gently. Remove the pan from the heat and wait for it to stop bubbling. Then pour the cream mixture over the chocolate. Mix until everything combines. Refrigerate the ganache for at least 2 hours. Scoop some ganache and roll it into a ball, then place it on a lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the ganache. Place the truffle centers in the freezer while you temper the chocolate. Dip a truffle center into the tempered chocolate. Drain the excess and return it to the lined cutting board. Continue with the rest of the centers, then leave them on the counter to set. I still occasionally encounter a situation that I've previously mentioned. When I refrigerate or freeze a ganache, then dip it, the ganache will expand as it warms up, breaking through the chocolate, sometimes in an amusing fashion. I could double dip the truffles, but that would make the chocolate layer thicker, which I really don't want to do. So until I figure out another option, here's what I do. Melt some chocolate. You'll only be using a tiny amount, so there's really no need to temper this. Remove the extruding bit of ganache. With a clean finger, use a bit of chocolate to cover the opening. Then put it aside to set. And that's it! Okay, let's give it a try. Slanchiva. Oh man, I wish I'd made these sooner. These are phenomenal. The snap of well-tempered chocolate paired with that creamy center. There's a slight bitterness from the dark chocolate and the lemon rind that really nicely offsets the sweetness. Delicious chocolate flavor, and that bright tart kick of lemon really elevates this into a special treat. This is definitely going on my favorites list. You really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. Something that's been on my list for a while, lemon truffles. Scoop some ganache. These are phenomenal. That snap of well cha-cha-cha.